Good morning, guys. This is back to my channel. So today we're gonna unbox one of my so I'm also, toy collector. So that's one of my hobby too. Besides buying clothes, expensive stuff. So anyway, so that's what we are going to unbox today, and this one is from Playboy. And I hope this, but this is just a toy, but I don't know. So I don't know why I bought this stuff, but because I like it. It says limited edition right there, collectible. So for those who guys doesn't know Ava Fabian, she was born on April. Sorry guys, April 4th, 1962 in New York. She's a model and an actress. And she became a Playboy's Playmate of the Month in August of 1986. So anyways, I will show you her picture now. I think she still look hot, guys. Yeah, she still look nice even though she aged, but she aged so well. So yeah, so let's unbox this one. Hold on for a moment. So I have this toy for so long, and I haven't tried to open it for the past maybe, I don't know, 20 years. No, maybe yeah, I think something like that. So let me open it for you guys. So this was the cover, and this was the box that came with it. And let's see if I can do a good. Let me see.
So the box is so huge. So that is the box. It's like plain black. And let me open it. Hold on guys, I cannot open it. Hold on for a moment.
So I'm struggling to open this box. So it has this protection thing in here. Okay. So there she goes. Isn't she pretty, guys? So I guess I have to. So that's her. Let me just take her out of the box, guys. Okay. So she kind of looked like a waitress or something, right? So that's her. And I don't want to take this out. It has like a net on her face right there. It's maybe to protect the hair. So that's her. She's so pretty, man. But guess what? Wait till you see her right now, like 2022. She's still pretty. She's still hot. So I think this is the thingy to go here on her palm. Put the thing in there. And so those are the accessories. Hold on, let me just put her away in a moment. So that's her. She's resting there for a moment. Let me just show you the accessories that came with it. So it comes with this one. This is very heavy, guys. I think you have to put her here. I think this is the base, where you can put her.
So that's the base right there. And then this one. So this one is the holder, I think. So you're gonna put it here. There's like a little hole on the base. So you put it like that, right? And then you kind of like that's her. So, no, I'm not gonna open this one because it's private, guys. Sorry. So that's how she sees. Ah! Oh shoot.
Hold on. Let me model it again for you guys. So that's how she looked like on the base. And then let me put her thing in here. I think she's like serving beer or something. And then she also have this one. It's like a bunny head thing. So you put it there. See, she's a bunny. She look like a bunny now. Let's see, like a Playboy model. So that's she looks like. She is so pretty, right? So let me just turn around a little bit so hopefully she won't move and she won't fall. So yeah, and I don't know how much I pay for this one. It kind of looks expensive because it's like super long. And then I also have this one. See, it has a certificate, what they call certificate of authenticity, and this item is 840 of 4,999. So it's like limited edition, guys. And it says here, Playboy certified this doll as an original creation of one of the Playboy's most popular playmates of all time, Ava Fabian, Playboy, Miss August 1986. So this is this certificate of authenticity right there. Yeah, so I think I bought this at Tower Records. I don't know if you guys still remember Tower Records. Tower Records sells, you know, those CDs and you know, vinyl records. They also sell toys in there, and then some electronics, but they're closed now, and they kind of look like Rasputin record store. I don't know if you guys have a Rasputin in your area, but here in our area we still have Rasputin. They sell all kinds of music stuff. Yeah, so yeah, I bought it at Tower Records, but I forgot how much I paid for this one because it's been like for so long now. Yeah, so I think this is the second time that I opened this box, guys. First time the first time I purchased this, and then now. So yeah, so I don't know, it's been a long time now. And yeah, so I'm gonna tell you all the details about this one. So yeah, so this is her. The only thing I don't like about this toy is that we cannot move her, you know, her arm and then her leg, and then the head doesn't move. It's not articulated joint or something. Yeah, she's just like that, like a mannequin, and it doesn't move. So yeah, but everything looks good, looks fine. Yeah, the details are okay. So yeah, so anyways, that's her. Bought it at Tower Records. And of course I don't have my ruler again, guys. I think she's more than 12 inches because it's kind of like tall, right? So yeah, so look at the details. It's so pretty, guys. So that is Miss Ava Fabian, 1986 Playboy model. August. Whatever. That's her. So, but she still look good, man. Like 2020, now 2022. So let me show you how she look like now. Hold on.
Okay. So there you go, that's her. She still look good, right, guys, right? So that's her current picture. some of her pictures are here as well. So this was her. That is her. And this is her picture now. Yeah, she aged like a fine wine, guys, right? She's so beautiful. Yeah, I don't know what she's doing right now. Maybe she's retired. But I read on the wiki, it says here that she opened a restaurant back in 1992 in Los Angeles. So I don't know if that restaurant is still active or something. Yeah, so that's her. Pretty. She's so pretty. That was when she was young. And this was the picture now. 2000.
Yeah, so that is one of my Playboy doll collection. I only have two. The other one I'm gonna show you maybe some other time. But this one is special because it's in the special box. It's really a limited edition right there. It comes with you know, the thing here, authenticity, certificate of authenticity, and then it has two more accessories here, but I don't want to. Oops. Okay. Oh, there you go. So I don't know where to put those. So I think this one goes on here, on her chest, so something like that. Okay. So now, yeah. So that's okay. So anyway, so that's my unboxing for today. So yeah, if you guys like unboxing, you're in the right channel. So yeah, I collect everything, guys. I love collecting stuff. I love toys and shoes, clothes, everything, whatever. So, and then check me out on TikTok too, guys. So anyways, that is my unboxing for today. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and you guys have a good day.